Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add notes or get notes on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app, and once you're logged into your account, you will see this interface, Messenger or chat box over here. So on the top you will see your profile, and if you have added your friends over here, then you will see beside your profile bunch of your followers or friends. They are add with you. So for me, I didn't add any friend over here, so let's do it. To post a note on Messenger, click on this your profile. Above it, like, you will see over here post a note. Click on that, and then you will see over here share a thought. So you can simply do is add mention, or you can mention your friends on the notes as well, or you can simply type over here anything, or you want to add emojis over here, you can as well do that. And I want to add over here subscribe, and you can see over here subscribe, and then this, and that's it. And then click on share, and then you will see over here on the top of your profile, you will see the note that I have added on the Messenger, and it will be shown to your friends as well, and their notes will be shown to you as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.